When it comes to money, some people have so much of it that if they decided not to ever work again in their entire lives, they would not run out of it. Some build gradually, and their children take their businesses a step further. Then their grandchildren do the same until the wealth in their family is quite literally enough to feed nations. Today, we'll be letting you see the top 8 wealthiest families in the world. Stay locked in. While some families hand down debts in their wills, some introduce their kids to the family business early and groom them to extend the wealth already in the family. Wealth is transient, and sustaining family wealth up to the 3rd generation takes a lot of discipline, grit, and business acumen. Some of the families on this list have this taught right from the onset. This countdown will not be featuring the likes of Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Bill Gates. Though these 3 men are currently on the top of the list of richest men globally, and though they have families, they do not qualify for this list. Family wealth, in this instance, refers to wealth that has survived more than 1 generation. Now to our countdown, but before we begin, if you are on this channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell to stay up to date for more videos like this. Johnson family. Fidelity Investments. In 8th place, we have the Johnson family. Their family wealth is estimated at $46.3 billion. The Johnson family runs the Fidelity Investments, which has been in business for over 3 generations. The family business was started in 1946 by Edward Ned Crosby Johnson III and has been built steadily. Fidelity Investments is one of the largest financial services firms in the world. They provide investment services to millions of clients. In 2014, the granddaughter of Edward was announced as the new CEO of Fidelity. Abigail Johnson, who ranks 124th on the Forbes Billionaires list, has a net worth of $10.8 billion. She is known to be very efficient and lives a private lifestyle. She was also ranked 7th on the Power Women rankings in 2019. Known for their private lifestyle, the wealthiest family in Boston and arguably the most powerful will be stepping into a new era with a strong leader in Abigail. Wertheimer family. Chanel. Coming in 7th place, we have the Wertheimer family, valued at $54.4 billion. If the name does not ring a bell, the company definitely will. The Chanel brand is quite old and famous. The company took off when Pierre Wertheimer negotiated a perfume contract with Coco Chanel. Currently run by brothers Alan and Gerard Wertheimer, Chanel deals in luxury goods and has its headquarters in Paris. Chanel is popularly known for its timeless little black dress, the No. 5 perfume, and the deceased high-profile designer Karl Lagerfeld, who died on February 19, 2019. Its luxury items can be found in the houses of the rich and powerful. Its loyal fan base keeps the business running, and hundreds of millions of dollars in profit. Currently, Alan Wertheimer has the controlling shares in Chanel alongside Gerard. They are both equestrians, and they inherited a thoroughbred horse racing stable called La Perle Farm, or Wertheimer Farm for racing in the United States. Dumas family. Hermes. In number 6, we have the Dumas family, valued at $63.9 billion. Like the Wertheimer family, the primary source of wealth for the Dumas family is their line of luxury goods. Owners of Hermes, the luxury item empire, have been the pride of the Dumas for 6 generations. Thierry Hermes started his fortune by fashioning riding gear for royalty and aristocracy in 1837. A century later, Jean-Louis Dumas elevated the company from being a French giant to being a global brand with its reach very deep into the fashion industry. From days of adorning aristocracy, the brand has moved into various arenas, and they now fashion the new royalties, including LeBron James. Staying in the family line, the company rests in the hands of Axel Dumas, who currently serves as the company's CEO and chairman. Pierre-Alexis Dumas serves as Hermes, the artistic director. Ambani family. Reliance Industries. In number 5, we have the only Asian family on the list, valued at $81.1 billion. The bulk of their wealth is gotten from the family-owned Reliance Industries, which deals with petrochemicals, oil, gas, and textiles. The least known family on the list, the Ambani family business started from humble beginnings with Dhirubhai Ambani returning to India from Yemen in 1957. He began by selling spices. Gradually, he moved into other commodities. He was known for his strategy of offering up quality products and selling them cheaper than his competitors. By the time of his death in 2002, Reliance Industries was worth well over $25 billion. Upon his death without a will, his widow brokered a deal between Mukesh and Anil's two sons. Mukesh sits at the helm of the family business based in Mumbai. Reliance Industries owns the world's largest refining complex. Mukesh also owns and lives in a 27-story mansion known as the world's most expensive private residence. Al Saud, Saudi royal family. The House of Saud comes in 4th place with an estimated value of $95 billion. The Saudi royal family has no single source of wealth, but their wealth has grown due to decades of cumulative payouts from the Royal Diwan, the king's executive office. It is the largest family on this list, with over 15,000 members. The cumulative wealth of these family members would well exceed the numbers above. Many family members have various enterprises that would invariably extend the wealth of this great royal family. Ties to Saudi Aramco, the world's most profitable company and a considerable force to be reckoned with in the petroleum industry, ensures that the family's wealth continues to grow exceedingly. The Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is the 7th Saudi monarch's son and controls assets worth $1 billion. He also owns the world's most expensive artwork, Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi, on his super yacht. Koch family, Koch Industries. In 3rd place on this list is the Koch family. They are valued at $109.7 billion. The Koch family owes the bulk of their wealth to their grandfather's oil farms. Charles Koch currently heads the family business. Charles and David Koch expanded their father's business into a conglomerate after Friedrich and William left the business. David later passed away in 2019, leaving his wife with his share of the family business. Charles Koch is better known today by the public for his interest. He finances politicians, libertarian think tanks, funds university professorships, and lobbies for policy positions. He aims to promote the conservative agenda. Before 2020, the family's political network was planning to engage in nearly 200 federal and state races in 2020. Mars family. Mars. In 2nd place, we have the chocolate giants, the Mars family. They are valued at $120 billion, and while a huge chunk of their wealth comes from their chocolate empire, the family has also diversified into the pet industry. Now, their pet care products account for about half of their revenue. Frank Mars learned how to hand-dip chocolate as a little schoolboy. In 1963, he opened a chocolate factory in the Netherlands. 5 generations later, his family is the 2nd richest in the world. Some of Mars's most notable products are the Mars bars, M&Ms, and Milky Way. Stephen Badger, son of Jacqueline Mars, was formerly chairman and is currently on the privately held Mars Inc. board of directors. Walton family, Walmart. Our number 1 most wealthy family in the world is the Walton family. Sitting comfortably at the top with $215 billion, the Walton family runs Walmart, the world's largest retail shop. Walmart has over 11,000 outlets worldwide and generates $524 billion in sales. The family owns about half of the retailer, helping them sit comfortably on the top of this list. Founded in 1962 by Sam and Bub Walton, Walmart started from a single store and gradually expanded. Sam died in 1992 and his son Rob became the chairman of the company. Doug McMillon is the current CEO of Walmart. Wealth can indeed be generational. While many people complain about getting little from their father's will, others work to make sure their legacies outlast their lives. That is a lesson we can all pick up on. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. New here? Then subscribe and join the family, and hit the notification button to stay up to date with our amazing countdowns. Did you feel we left out a particular family? Or do you have an opinion on the families on the list? Leave a comment below. We would love to see it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.